Hello everyone, it's flippin' crazy back with another video. This time I'm going to create an upcycled necklace from my pile of junk jewelry. I've already prepared some of the pieces for the sake of time on the video. All that is needed for this project is some junk jewelry, a pair of pliers, glue, paint, a paintbrush, and some imagination. So let's get started. First off, these are various pieces of some junk jewelry that I had. First step we're going to do is get rid of the unnecessary pieces that we're not going to be using. So this was just a clip-on earring. I'll just take that off of there. I already took the piece out of this earlier, so I'll just take that, put that to the side. That way you have better working space. This I already took some dangles off of, so I'll get that out of the way. This was a necklace that had all these little fringy guys on them. Okay. These are the earring hooks we're going to use later, so I'm going to take off anything that I'm not going to be reusing off of those. Okay, and I already took that out ahead of time. Excuse me. Another thing I want to show is that this earring, the two loops were silver tone, not the connecting ring that I put on, but these were silver tone. What I did earlier is I took some Tester's gold paint and the tip of a toothpick, and I just touched up on them really lightly to give them a gold tone appearance. So we'll get that out of the way. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, let me move these. Oh, also connected, where are they? I connected these ahead of time to each other. Excuse me. The first thing we're going to do is this piece. I wanted to get the rhinestones out, but they were glued in there pretty well, so I'm just going to take some red Tester's paint and paint over them. I really wanted to put some beads in there, but I didn't want to destroy the metal by trying any harder, so we're going to do this first so it'll give it a chance to dry. And if you put just the right amount of paint, it will dome up to look sort of like a bead or enamel work. Just like that. And that's done. Next, while that's drying, we're going to take, I'm going to move this out of the way. We're going to take this piece, and I wanted to put this in the center, like so. So I'm going to get some glue. Put it on here. Get this started. Just like that. There. We'll position that. Right there. I'm going to need more glue. Okay. I'm just going to take and spread the glue out more toward the edges with the toothpick. And I'll add a little bit more. I'll bring it right back. I just want to do this on paper on the side here because Sometimes this stuff drips. Okay. Alrighty. Take this, put it in the middle, like so. Sometimes you get these little fuzzies from the glue. Just wait till it dries and you can peel them off. Set that in there like that. We'll take all that off later. Then this piece is going to go here. Take the glue. Get it towards the outside. And then we're going to put some here. And we're going to set that piece down. We'll set that to a side. Try to get that as close to the center as possible. Like so. We'll let that sit for a few seconds. Okay. We're going to do an easy part, which is the earrings. I've already separated these. And we'll start with these. There's a longer one and a slightly shorter one, so we're going to do the shorter one first, then the longer one. I left that little teardrop on there too from the old pair, from the old components that were on it. And you take this and close it up. There's one pair. Put that aside. We'll do the same thing with this other one. Do the shorter one first, then the longer one behind it, and then we'll close it up with the pliers. And there's the second earring. Put that aside. Move these other pieces forward. Now for the hanging part on the necklace, I was experimenting, and there are, let me move this down so you can see, there are 2 holes on each side. So what I'm going to do is take single pieces and attach them on the outside holes, and then the V shape is going to go, let me move this up, the V shape is going to go on the inside holes, like so. Move these again, And this is the kind of chain that I'm going to use for the necklace. I thought it was pretty. So let's at least put the outside ones on. Bend these open. Slide it through there. And then, I forgot the paint was wet. Close it up. I'll do better later on when it's completely dry. And you can straighten this out. And we'll take the other side, move it here. Open the ring. Feed it through. Close it up. Make sure it's closed. And I didn't get it through. Okay. It's hard to do when I have a camera in front of me. Okay. So you can start to see how this is coming together. These guys are for the very end, so I'm going to move them out of the way. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them or not. Maybe I'll just do this part. Let me get the earrings out of the way. Okay, I think we're going to do the necklace part. So I guess I'll just make sure the direction is right on these. Okay. We're just going to open this. Here. We're going to feed these through. And close this up. This one side. We'll open this side. Same thing here. And close it up. Okay, now we have the chain part assembled. I don't know how long this is going to take to dry. Just double checking it. It's another stringy. Okay. I guess we'll try to do this. Open it up. Feed it through. And close it. this side. Oops. Still not big enough yet. All right. Okay. Squeeze that one together. We'll fix that up later. So now you're getting the idea. And I was going to, let me just put this at an angle. I was going to try to take these triangle pieces and put them like this on the sides, but I'm really not sure. I don't think it needs it, so I'm not going to do them. I might decide later after I stare at it a while, but I think I'm just going to keep it the way it is for now. Let me get this up so you can see it. Shorten that a bit in the back so you can see the whole design. And let me put the earrings on here. Set that up, and then put one earring on each side so you can see. One there. And one here. Move them over, and I'll show you the finished product. Lay it back down here too so you can see against the white, which might help. So I'm going to put that down. Let me get this off of here. Undo the necklace part and Set that up there. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you would like to see more from my channel, hit that subscribe button and make sure to click on the bell so you can be notified when I post more content. Again, thank you and have a great day. Bye.